Good morning, students. Welcome back. Chapter 5 Skewness. Question number 5. Exercise 5.1, page number 196. The following frequency distribution gives the amount of annual depreciation in lakh rupees of 38 companies. Using this information, find skewness and Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness and state the type of skewness. Here, the amount of depreciation is given in lakh rupees. Number of companies is also given, the total of which is 38. Now, since it is having unequal class, so we will find out here x bar, median and standard deviation. Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness will calculate through the formula 3x bar minus m upon s. Starting with the sum, first we will find out the mid value. So here mid value will be 7, 9, 10. Now 11 plus 20 divided by 2. So mid value will be 5.5. Here 22.5 and 30.5. 25 plus 36 divided by 2. Now second step is to find out the CFI. CFI is the total of FI, that is here 2 plus 3 5, 9, 16, 28 and 38. Total of CFI should be equal to total of frequency. Now DI is what? To find out the deviation value xi minus a. Assume mean we take it as from mid value. Assume mean we have taken as 10. So 7 minus 10. So here we get minus 3. 9 minus 10 minus 1, 0. Here 5.5. 10 minus 5.5. This is actually 15.5. 11 plus 20 divided by 2. So assume mean 10 we have taken, here value 5.5, 12.5, 20.5. DI how we have calculated? xi minus a assume mean. Okay, 30.5 minus 10, so 20.5. FIDI is what? Multiplication of DI with FI, 2 into minus 3. So we have got minus 6, 3 into 1, minus 1, that is minus 3, 0, 7 into 5.5. So we have got 38.5, 150 and 205, 20.5 into 10. Now FIDI is calculation. How we will make? FIDI multiplied by DI. So 18 positive 3, 0, 211.75, 1875, 150 multiplied by 12.5, 20.5 multiplied by 205. So we have got 4202.5. Now making the sum of this FIDI, summation of this, we have got 384.5, and the summation of sigma FIDI we have got 6240.25. Now this is the table we have solved. Now finding the value for x bar is equal to a plus fi di upon n. A assume mean what we have got? Taken 10 plus sigma fi di 384.5 upon n is 38. Solving this, 10 plus 384.5 divided by 38. So we have got 10.118. So x bar value is 20.12 lakh. Now median. Formula for median is first finding the n by 2th observation. So 38 is n divided by 2. So we have got 19th observation. 19th observation in CFI is in this class. So our model class will be here. Median, taking median class is 11 to 19th observation we have got. Sorry, 19th is falling in this class. So our median class will be 21 to 24. So L we here will take as 20.5, converting this into inclusive to exclusive series. So formula here L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon Fi into C, because here class interval is there. So L we will take 19 observation lies to this class, so 21 to 24 is the class. So L we here will take as 20.5 plus n by 2. N by 2 we have taken as 19 minus CFI, that is a frequency, cumulative frequency above this is 16, and Fi frequency class interval opposite to that is 12 into C. C we have to take the difference of this 21 to 24, that is 4. Solving this we have got 20.5 plus 3 into 4 divided by 12. So it will deducted 1. So median is equal to 20.5 plus 1 is equal to 21.5 lakh. Now calculating standard deviation. Standard deviation formula is Fi di square minus sigma Fi di upon n whole square, whole under root. Now Fi di square value we have taken as 6240. Here calculation mistake is there. This is not 6240.25, this is 6310.25. So here we will take 6310.25. You can use calculator while solving the sum. Upon 38 minus 384, this is FIDI, 0.5 upon 38 whole square, whole under root. Now solving standard deviation, here what we have got is standard deviation 166.059 minus 10.118 whole square. 166.059 minus 102.378 whole square is equal to 63.681. Under root of this we have got 7.98. So standard deviation we have got 7.98. Now to find out the J, coefficient of skewness by Karl Pearson method, J is equal to 3 x bar minus m upon s. X bar we have calculated as 20.12 minus m. Median we have calculated 21.5 upon s we have calculated 7.98. Solving this, 3 minus 1.38, 20.12 minus 21.5 is minus 1.38 upon 7.98. So multiplying this and dividing, here we have got minus 4.14 upon 7.98 is equal to, j is equal to here minus 0.52. Here we have got the answer in negative, so we will write in bracket it is negative skewness. Now students, you have to solve this sum in your notebook completely. You have to draw this table, calculate the values and then do the sum. Here you should know what things you have to find out, that is x bar, median, then s standard deviation, then applying the formula for j is equal to 3x bar minus m upon s, and then calculating and finding the value for skewness. Do this sum in your notebook.